Hi, it's Beep from Growing Vegetables with Beep. This mini greenhouse Mark made for me, which is really good for growing seedlings in, and then before they move outside or in another greenhouse or something. He made it from scrap wood, which is 2 by 2 most of it, and it's got polycarbonate glazing. The wood we got for free because we do like things for, reuse, reduce, recycle. And the polycarbonate was given to us. We swapped vegetables for the polycarbonate. We've done a double thickness because it wasn't really thick. So we've done a double layer. The height of the mini greenhouse is 115, and at the back and at the front it's 94. It's 1 meter wide and 64 centimeters depth. It's got one door at the front, and our other one had 2 doors, but it actually works really well with one door. He's made a little magnet. He's added a magnet so that we can shut it easily, and the handle. This wood here came from a bit of skip hunting. There's slats which were absolutely perfect, and so it's got the first layer. It's got 2 shelves. This one we've added some polycarbonate purely so we haven't got cold air coming out, because it's been cold. But when the weather is warmer, we will take it out to let more air come through. The lid doesn't come up on this one, but I don't know, I don't miss that. So 2 shelves. We'll be able to hold 3 trays quite easily. You can see there, 3 trays. Anyway, the homemade mini greenhouse like this is actually often more stronger than the ones you can buy. This one is very well made. You can see how strong it is. There's no wobble in this one. The wind hasn't been able to take it. The cost, well, we paid nothing for the wood, and neither we swapped vegetables for the polycarbonate, so it cost Mark his time. I've actually seen these mini greenhouses online for anything from £100 up to a hardwood one for £300. But any gardener really wants one of these in the garden, because they are they create a perfect condition for young plants before they're ready to go in the main garden. So, it's a perfect environment. So that's it for now. See you on the next video.